All right, guys. Well, if you saw the, the money shots, the B-roll, whatever they call it, you saw I got the body done. It's not perfect. Try not to look too hard at the silver lines around the windows now that I brought it to your attention. And, yeah. I took the silver belted Relarlo wheels off of the back so we can just kind of tear up these cheap Amazon ones. Got the interior in if you couldn't tell in the money shots. Looking freaking sweet. Alright, well, let's try this thing out. Maiden voyage. Let's get it dirty. Okay, big stones may be an issue. Look how cool it looks though. Just static bouncing. Yeah. She's a ripper. Yeah. Yeah, there's no traction. It's so sandy though. It's so cool though. It's all slammed. She's a rear end scraper. It has so much power, it's stupid. I haven't even used barely any of it. There's a stone in the belt. Yep. Or in the tire, maybe. Yep. Okay, we gotta check it out. You'll have that with belt drive cars and these big rocks. And sand.
Fleetwood.
Yeah.
Sounds sandy.
Yeah. Check it out. Taillight stickers are coming off. Don't look too hard at the silver lines around the windows. I'm self-conscious about them. They look like shit. Okay. Oh, there we go. It must have busted itself free when I shook it. We're good. It's dusty in there, but we're good. See, that's the thing, though. As long as you know, guys, to when you hear something, just stop and check it out. It'll be okay. I've ran this belt drive car in the snow before. All better. Yeah, it has no traction. Even with that weight, I had it to the rear. I'm sure with foams it'd be a way different story. It's also pulling. There we go. All right. You guys ready for it? Camera lady?
Yeah.
Can we do a peel out? We blew head gasket. Alright guys, well, no go. That means I put her into over temp. Oopsies. Let's check her out. First, let's check the tire carnage, huh? Oh yeah, okay, yep, popped one, see that? Oopsies. Other than that, really doesn't look that bad. I could have kept going. I just overheated it. Now I will say that these Castle 380 brushless systems are known for getting hot. They don't have a lot of cooling. And with this interior, it gets extra hot in there, so I'm sure that is, oh yeah, that's warm, guys. Okay, so let's just hope I didn't burn it up, but I don't think so. That's why the ESC has this over temp protection. Okay, oh, we need to shut down. So the next burnout, all I need to do is glue up that spot. Oh, that spot right there. And we'll just shoot a little glue in there and go again. Go turn back on. Yep. Okay, let's limp it back to the truck and say that was pretty good enough for a maiden voyage, right? We did a burn ski. We did some drift skis. We got it all dirty ski. There's dust ski inside the window skis. Ah, darn it, ski. All right, guys. I hope you dig the slammed caddy ripping around tearing crap up. And I'll see you next time. See ya.